Oh, Rachel, Big Ted, you made it.
We did! Seatbelt off, out I get, and you too, Big Ted. Seatbelt off. Let's go. Oh, where are we?
It's somewhere where we can race.
Oh, a swimming pool.
Oh, no, it's a special kind of racetrack.
Huh. A running racetrack.
No, it's somewhere where we can race with cars.
The preschool racetrack.
Yes, that's right, where we can race with remote-controlled cars. And the toys have all come to see the big race. Oh, it's nearly time for the big race, Big Ted. Come sit next to me. Oh, I remember when I used to race here. Oh, such fun. There's not much time left, so it's time to explain the race. Here is your remote, Rachel, and here's mine. Now, the blue and grey cars start here, and they race around the racetrack twice and finish where they started.
That sounds easy. Oh, that sound means it's time to race.
I wonder who'll win. Okay. Ready, set, go! Oh, gonna find, yep, straight. And it's time for the left turn now. Left turn. Oh. Turn left, car, turn left.
Oh, no!
Coming through. Gotta be careful, going straight.
I am being careful.
I'm talking. Oh, here we go. Left. Here we go.
Here we go. Okay,
oh, that's it. Oh,
almost.
Okay. Rearranging the track there, Rachel. Good,
yep,
good.
It's all good.
All right. And...
That went really well.
Ta-da! Well...
Let's call it a practice run.
That's practice run.
And let's go again.
Okay. Practice run. Okay. Race number 2. Okay. Here we go. Ready, Rachel?
It's going to be great.
Ready, set, go! Oh, left turn. Down the straight. Comes King.
Straight, nearly straight.
Let's go, brake car.
Backwards.
Back in the racetrack, brake car.
I'm going to get back in the game.
Oh, it's the final stretch. Whoa, it's so close. Oh, yay!
I think you won, King.
Oh, yay! Oh, that was such a great race, everyone. Oh, well done, everyone. It brings me back so many great memories. Oh, bravo, bravissimo, everyone. Bravo, bravissimo, bravo, very well done. Bravo, bravissimo, bravissimo, very well done. Come on, let's sing that again. Bravo, bravissimo, bravo, very well done. Bravo, bravissimo, bravissimo, very well done. Yay!
Oh, wow, that was lots of fun.
Yeah, well, it's time for us to go now. Maybe you'd like to make a racetrack at home.
Or build a road.